Hi students, welcome to maths class. Now let us discuss about chord, angle and arc. You know what is chord, angle already you know, and arc also you know. We already discussed the diameter, this one. Joining the ends of the diameter to a point in any part of the circles gives a right angle. Once again I am saying joining the ends of the diameter to a point in any part of the circle give a right angle. The diameter making above angle also right angle and below angle also right angle. Then what about this? What about a chord? A chord diameter is a chord that's drawing through the center of the circle, that is diameter. A chord drawing through the center of the circle, that is diameter. And what about other chord? Look this, which is that chord? That one. That's not diameter. Why? It's not going through the center of the circle. So that is a chord. Is it right angle? The above angle is right angle or not? And below angle is right angle or not? It is not a right angle. And is it same? The above and below angle is same? It's not the same. Then let's check this one. I am drawing many angles from both end of that chord. Again I am saying I am drawing many angles to the circle from both the end of a chord. What is the features of that angles? That is all angles on the same side, that above side are equal, and all angle on the below side are also equal. Once again, all angles on the same side are equal. Above angles are equal and below angles are equal. Then my next question, how can find that angles? Look this, you know, it's a diameter. The below line is diameter. So the diameter make an angle on the circle, that is 90-degree right angle. Then you know that angle. How much is that angle? That will be 180-degree. Okay. Then 180 and 90, is there any relation? Say 90 is half of the 180. So let's check this one. We want to find the angle at P. How can? First we want to find out the central angle. I am drawing a line to center from A. Then I am drawing another line from B to the center. And if that central angle is given, suppose that is 120-degree, the angle at P will be half of that angle, 60-degree. So let's take another number. If it is 140, that angle will be 70-degree. If it is 100, that angle will be 50-degree. If it is 70, that angle will be 35-degree. So the angle at P will be the half of the central angle. Then let's check this one. A chord is there. From both ends, there is a line to the center. So that angle will be center angle. That's given 100 degree. Then how much is the angle at P? that line also, that angle at P also drawing from both end, from A and B, so that angle will be half of the 100. Okay, the next, I said every angle, all angles on the same side will be equal. Here center angle is given 120, so the remaining angles, the above angles will be half of that 120, that is 60 and 60. And if you are drawing another angles like this one, from that end, from this end another one, that will also 60 degree. I am drawing one more from first end, one line to the circle, and from the second end I am drawing another line to the circle, that also will be 60 degree. Then another one. Can you find the angle at Q? Can you find the angle at Q? How can we want to find angle at Q? How much is that angle? The above angle. If here is C degree, the above angle will be 360 minus C degree. Total angle around us point, that is 360, and C degree is given dot down, so the remaining angle will be 360 minus C degree. Suppose the down angle 100 degree. How much is the above angle? That will be 260. That is 360 minus 100, 260 degree. So the opposite arc, the Q angle is the angle at opposite angle of 260 degree. So it will be half of 260 degree, that is 130 degree. Okay, another one, 140. Central angle is 140. Then opposite angle, the angle at opposite arc, that is half of 140, that is 70. Then how much is the above angle of 140? That is 360 minus 140. That will be, okay, you may find out that angles. The next, find all angles. A figure is given here and one angle is given 100 degree. Can you find remaining angles? Check how much will be the above angle. That will be 50 degree. How? The central angle is 100 degree, so the angle at opposite arc from both end of that chord, it will be half of the central angle. Notice one, from both end of that chord, an angle drawing from both end of a chord, it will make the half of central angle. You must by heart that. And it is 40 degree. How can? It's an isosceles triangle and 100 degree is above, then base angle will be equal, total 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 100, 80 degree, then by 2, it also 40 degree. Total 180, 40 plus 40 plus 100, that is 180. Okay, one more I am giving. Find all angles. This figure, that is in your textbook. You can't, you have to find all angles in the figure. So we want to draw that line. If 30 degree is given here, then above 30 degree you will get, how can? It's a isosceles triangle. Then that is 20 degree. How? It's an isosceles triangle. Base angles are equal. Then it will be 120 degree. Total angle is 180. Then it is 140. And this is 100. How can? Sum of the angle in around a point, that is 360. 140 is there, 120 is there, 100 is there. The remaining